Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to connect Wix website to Google Analytics. So basically what you have to do is simply go to your site and then you have to simply go to marketing and SEO. So hover your mouse over it and then simply go to marketing integrations. And then basically what you have to do is simply wait, and as you can see you're going to have this option to connect Google Analytics, so click on connect. And after that, as you can see, they're going to talk you about this integration. So with Google Analytics you can track your site's traffic and gain a deeper understanding of who is visiting your site. You can see information like the numbers of visitors to a page, where visitors come from, and how long they stay. So what you have to do is simply follow Google instructions to set up a property ID. Google recommends using GA for measurement ID. Universal Analytics Tracking ID will be removed soon. So after that you'll have to simply click on add Google Analytics ID, but as you can see, in order to do that you'll have to upgrade to a premium plan in order to use that. So you'll have to click on upgrade, and after you upgrade your Wix plan you're gonna have to go back to Google Analytics here and simply click on add Google Analytics ID, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.